instead of butter is really good extra virgin olive oil. There's citrus in there, so there's citrus zest, lemon and orange. There's orange juice, there's Grand Marnier. The cake is really nice and rich. So my third one is Italian cream cheese. We mix with a little bit of whipped heavy cream. And then on top you've got some candied walnuts, the zest of the orange. On the outside you have the supreme of orange. It's just a fancy word. We cut in between the skin of the orange so you only get the flesh. None of the bitterness from the skin. And then just leaning up against the edge, kind of a regular, long, rectangular looking thing, that's actually the zest of the orange. So what we do with it is we peel it and we blanch it, which basically means you drop it in boiling water. We do it about 10 times with new water every time. It starts to take out the bitterness. Then we put it in a simple syrup, which is 1 part water, 1 part sugar. Cook it for about 20 minutes or so. Take it out, let it sit overnight. Then the next day we cover them with sugar and they start to candy. That's what you get. So you can eat that orange peel. It's basically like a little